7 business ideas to make money fast. How often have you thought, I could use some additional cash? Perhaps you need some fast cash. You may also choose to set aside funds for a major purchase. Outside of your day work, there are various methods to earn money. Both online and offline, there are more opportunities to earn extra cash than ever before. That's fantastic, but deciding where to put your time is difficult. We're talking about little sums of money here, not millions of dollars, but enough to cover your monthly bills or stop that annoying creditor from calling you. None of the 7 quick money methods discussed here will bankrupt you. Some are simpler than others, but almost all need little to no money. 1. Walk dogs. There are organizations dedicated to connecting dog owners with dog walkers. Rover is one of the largest dog walking networks available. Of course, you might advertise your services on social media or by knocking on neighbors' doors, but you may easily utilize one of these services. If you're serious about having a track record of positive reviews, do an excellent job. This will assist you in earning money in the future when you are in severe need. 2. Work as a Lyft or Uber driver. Uber and Lyft are 2 companies that provide a great way to make some quick income. You'll need a clean driving record, a relatively recent vehicle, and permission to work in your current location. If you have all of these things, you can work whenever it is convenient for you, whether it's in the middle of the day, during peak times, or late at night on a weekend. You get to decide. 3. Freelance writing. Freelance writing can be an excellent match if you enjoy writing. You can even work from home. Writing an article for a company or journal might earn you money. You can try the websites like Upwork, Fiverr, Clark Howard, and U.S. News & World Report for freelancing writing jobs. Pay varies depending on the customer and the length of the piece. For a piece of content, you can earn $5 to $500. The amount you make is determined by your level of experience and the length of the article. Try Upwork or Contently to help you connect with clients. Clients are seeking written material from professionals like you on these sites. Create a profile and submit writing examples. 4. Participate in market research. Participate in market research is easy money, not a lot of effort. Companies searching for customer feedback on a variety of products and services will place you in a room to hear your thoughts. That's it. This generally involves writing or expressing your point of view, responding to polls or surveys, or leaving a discussion group. The mechanics are unimportant. The key is that you can count on it on occasion. Focusgroup.com is one major company for participants. 5. Participate in online surveys. Taking surveys in your spare time might be a lucrative method to supplement your income. While there are many online survey services, SurveyJunkie is one of the best. You can start generating money with surveys right now. The great thing about SurveyJunkie is that you may participate in several surveys. If SurveyJunkie isn't enough, you may also join other survey sites. You'll never run out of surveys to do in your spare time this way. 6. Babysitting. Care.com offers to babysit. When you need to make a fast buck, babysitting is a great option. Babysitting and nanny services are in high demand all around the world. Parents may find babysitters on websites like Care.com. To put parents' minds at ease, the business performs all background checks and other due diligence. Of course, you may appeal to individuals in your personal network directly, but if you want to earn money on a consistent basis, join a site that caters to parents searching for child care. 7. Create your own t-shirt design. This can be a good fit for you if you're creative and enjoy designing stuff. If that's the case, go to cafepress.com. T-shirt designs that you make can be published on Cafe Press. You get a cut of the earnings when a consumer buys your design. Cafe Press fulfills the purchase and sends it to the customer. So all you have to do now is upload designs. In summary, selling t-shirts might be one of the simplest methods to generate money. You may also sell the home and decor, drinkware, stationery, and bumper stickers on Cafe Press. You may now devote more effort to developing and less to marketing. Redbubble is a second place to explore if you want to sell additional designs. As you can see, there are several methods to supplement your income. You don't have to start hustling just because you're in debt. You can earn extra cash to go towards other ambitions. Perhaps it's a trip to New Zealand or early retirement for you. Well, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching.